Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing really well. If you're new here, then my name is Heather and I am super passionate about all things cruelty-free beauty, hair care, skin care, a little bit of fashion chucked in there for good measure. And if that sounds like your kind of thing, then please do subscribe to my channel and come and introduce yourself. Leave a comment. I absolutely love reading your comments. They make me so happy. We've already got a little bit of a community forming here of people that just, you know, they always comment and it's so nice and you're just there like, hi. I get really excited and my husband started recognising them as well. He's like, oh, so-and-so just commented on your video again. I'm like, I know, she does every time, it's so nice. So yes, anyway, it makes me very happy and I get very excited about it, okay? Just to tell you really quickly, because I absolutely love my makeup today. I'm so happy with it. It's kind of like a pinky toned neutral eye with a little bit of Christmas sparkle in there because I'm wearing my new pink jumper that I absolutely adore. It's so cozy. So I wanted to talk you through what I did, and I have just two palettes on my eyes. I've got one of my Morphe palettes and then the At Forest Sight Raw Beauty collection with Colourpop. I love this palette. I've gotten so much use out of it. But all over my eyelid, I've just got Old Growth. And then to deepen it up a little bit, I've got Homegrown here. So literally these two are the only like colours on my eye. And then to add a little bit of sparkle, I had to break into this bad boy. I love this palette. This palette brings me so much joy. But I just have the shades Three Little Words and Lust on my eyes, which are these two here, just to give it a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of shine. I'm still so desperate to use this like bright, it's coming off really blue on camera, but it's actually like a proper purple sparkly, and I really want to use that at some point, so that'll probably happen soon. But yes, I wanted to just tell you what I had in my eyes because I really like it. If that, you know, I always feel a bit weird being like, I still really like my makeup today because I'm so talented. That's not what I'm saying at all. I think these are pretty. So today it's going to be another The PIP box unboxing, and this is not sponsored. They have not sent this to me. I bought it with my own money, but I really love them as a company. I think they're doing amazing things. Everything in their boxes is cruelty-free and vegan. So if that's something that's really important to you, you can just kind of, you know, trust them on that, which I just think is wonderful. And you will notice that I didn't do one last month. I did do the October box. I actually skipped the November box just because it was mostly like sleep scent sprays and stuff, and I don't really like those. So I skipped out that box, which was super easy to do. And yeah, but the Christmas box looked like it was right up my alley. So I have grabbed that one. And I did want to say, as a little update from the last box, and I have mentioned this before, but I want to talk about this single eyeshadow that I got in it, and it's by the brand Estate, and it is this gorgeous coppery colour. Now it's called Virginity, which kind of like, do we need to sexualize our makeup? Like, can we just stop? But anywho, it is just an absolutely beautiful coppery shade, and I have been wearing this as like a one shade eye look most of the time when I've just been doing a quick, you know, at home kind of makeup look, and it's absolutely stunning. So this came in their October box, but definitely check them out because Estate is a little bit of a smaller, more kind of indie brand, so it's always nice to support. But anywho, let's start exploring this. It looks very exciting. This box was absolutely packed. Like, it was sort of straining to kind of get out of its packaging. Oh my god, I swear I did not know this. Look who it is! Look! It's me! Our favourite subscriber photos of 2020. I swear, I did not know that that was going to be there. Oh my gosh! Sorry. Thank you, PIP box team. That's made me a bit emotional. That's the first time I've ever seen myself on something like this. Although I have to say, the one with the dog wins. The one with the dog wins. It's the fame, guys. It's going to my head. Sorry, I don't mean to joke. I am actually, thank you. I am absolutely blown away by that. Okay, so welcome to your December PIP box. This Christmas Eve, curl up and relax at home with our pampering selection of treats. Love that. Staying at home is the new going out, and this month's box contains everything you need for the perfect pamper evening. Pop on your eye mask, smooth on your face mask, a lot of masks, tame those tresses and curl up on the sofa. We've even popped in a beautiful velvet liquid lipstick for a little glam come Christmas Day. Enjoy the PIP box team. Oh. Total value £64. Now, these boxes are £19.99. So for me, I think that's a really good price point, because £20 a month is kind of like, okay, you know, it's an expense, but it's not crazy. Whereas I think some subscription boxes can be like £30–40 a month. And by that point, I'm like, we had that up over a year. We're kind of, you know, let's hide it from your husband kind of purchases, isn't it really? So first up we have this First Aid Conditioning and Detangling Spray from Noughty Hair Care. Triumph in the battle against dryness, damage, splits and tangles with this silicone-free, 97% natural, thirst-quenching mist of moisture. So if you are somebody that is doing the curly girl method, I believe that this would qualify, because no parabens, no petrochemicals, no sulfates and no silicones. Oh, sweet almond and argan oil. Oh, that smells good. I've now got it all over myself, but that smells really good. Okay, I'm excited to try that. Okay, next up we have the, oh, hello, Jorgobé? Jorgobé? I don't know. Peel off mask. The original black peel off mask cleans your pores in depth, reduces the skin's production of excess fat. I presume they mean grease and oil there. And prevents new blackheads. Oh, and this retails for £26. So already this is more expensive on its own than the whole box. Nice. So I'm guessing this is that kind of black, you know, the one that was doing the rounds. Oh, it's like escaping. It's like escaping out of its container. I'm slightly scared and slightly very excited. I'm going to give this a go and report back, because that does sound quite fun. Okay, then next up we have the Vitamasques Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask All-in-One Rescue. Made with crystal extract, antioxidants, multi-peptides and multivitamins. And also, it's the most beautiful, it matches my jumper, pink and silver pack. Oh, that's really beautiful. Tired eyes can strike at any time, leaving peepers tender and at risk of developing fine lines. That's really cute. But they can be treated effectively with the use of the Crystal Glow Hydro Glow Eye Mask. Lovely. I've never actually used an eye mask. It's got like a little picture on the front, which kind of makes it look like, you know, those eye masks that you wear to go to sleep in, but with little eye, like, holes cut out so you can see. Yeah, there you go. Interesting. Sounds fun. Okay, now this was one which I was like, such a good idea, and it is the Betty Hula antibacterial hand cream, rum and blackcurrant. Hello. A quick penetrating cream to deeply nourish skin and cuticles. Its natural ingredients include shea butter and coconut oil to help diminish the appearance of skin aging and blemishes. But yet it's antibacterial, which I just think is amazing. Also perfect for an everyday antibacterial barrier due to our special non-alcohol sanitizer property, perfect for all skin types including sensitive skin. So like, because we're all using hand sanitizer like crazy at the moment for obvious reasons, but that means that your hands are getting like really, really dry, or mine are anyway. So this is perfect. Such a good idea. Oh, that smells amazing. Not sure I can really smell the rum, but to be honest, I'm not entirely mad about that. Oh, it just smells gorgeous, really like fruity and yummy. Okay, next up we have the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is the Ritzy Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Our Velvet Liquid lipsticks combine highly pigmented, high-performance lip colour with a fine metallic pearl for a gorgeous velvety smooth finish. These vibrant lip colours are non-drying, comfortable to wear, and unbelievably long-lasting. Cool! Well, let's have a little bit of a swatch. Paraben-free, cruelty-free, all good stuff. And this is in the shade Swoon. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that is some serious pigment. Wowzers. Okay, I'm very excited to try that. I sometimes find liquid lipsticks a little bit tricky and a little bit messy, so I shall report back on how I find that, but that is stunning. Okay, and then last up, which I'm very excited about, is a chocolate bar, and this is Noughty roasted hazelnut, our fan favorite, the finest hazelnuts from Piedmont Italy, unfold with their full aroma in our melt in the mouth chocolate. I think we might have to try this, guys. Oh, it smells good. It's definitely more dark chocolate kind of vibes. So if you don't like dark chocolate, I don't know how much you'd like this, but it's like packed with hazelnuts. That is amazing. Thank you, PIP box. It was probably my favourite thing. It's the only problem with eating in the middle of a video. You then have to try get through it before you can carry on. Do I now have chocolate on my teeth? Probably. And that is it. That is the end of this little unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, not sponsored by PIPbox at all. I purchased this myself. But thank you so much to the team for featuring me. That is just, yeah, that's really made my day. And so, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. It'd be so good to have you. And yeah, have an absolutely wonderful Christmas. I won't be putting out a video next week just because I upload on Fridays and Friday's Christmas Day. So yeah, there won't be a video next week, but there will be one in 2 weeks' time, and it's going to be a little hidden gems of eBay shoe edition. So I'm very excited about that. I have some amazing shoes to show you. So yeah, subscribe if that sounds like something you would like to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful Christmas, and yeah, see you guys soon. Bye. Our velvet liquid lipsticks contain our liquid velvet, I just can't talk anymore. Come on, don't focus on me. I'm not interesting. Oh, come on, focus on me. Focus on me.